video is obviously the vlog, and I'm working with Chantel today. We are creating content, and she's being her fabulous self. It's so difficult working with her because she's a supermodel. She's a model, so, and I'm a regular human being. So
she's a model. Don't mind me. I'm training.
I'm struggling here. Serious struggle. Yeah. Let's see how it goes. Bye. So tired. This is working. I was called Papa. This is a cool woman. I told you.
This one.
Yeah, okay, I've seen it.
Have you seen this time? So with fuck and salmon, so something like that.
How are you?
How are you?
I'm good. Hi, Paige. Hi, Jes. So guys, I'm now at the Note Cosmetics event. It's called the Noteworthy Experience. Yeah.
This is the Noteworthy Experience.
I know. I'm always waiting for the vlogs.
So, welcome to your house. How did you go to the
I can't pronounce it. It's Goldie. So please pronounce it yourself. It's Goldie. She's golden. She's glowing. She's looking pretty as always.
I'd like to wish all Ghanaians, my fellow Ghanaians here, a happy and Independence Day. I know it's a bit early to wish you Happy Independence Day, but I didn't want to miss the opportunity to say it, so please, Happy Independence Day to all of you.
Thank you.
Celebrate it tomorrow. Tonight's event is themed the noteworthy experience.
So, the note perfecting line. You know, in beauty, I'm an artist. I mean, we all strive for perfection. The reason why we paint women and men faces is to make sure they put the best versions of themselves. So under the perfecting line, we have the skin perfecting primer. This one contains argan oil. We've already seen argan oil as one of the ingredients that is used in making no cosmetics. And the skin perfecting primer is very suitable for people with very oily skin. I mean, that is one of the complaints you get every day. Oh, I have an oily skin. My face gets oily. After makeup, 2 minutes, my face gets oily. So, with the skin perfecting primer, it's suitable for someone who has serious oily skin. So, for the general line, we have 4 main foundations in the general line. So, we have the Detox and Protect Foundation. We have the Luminous Moisturizing Foundation. We have the Mattifying Extreme Wear Foundation. And we have the Rejuvenating Foundation. Let me take them one after the other. The Detox and Note has a wide range for you to choose from. So very soon, as I will be coming on, we'll be having a makeup demonstration. So you see how these things I'm talking about works on an individual. Gani. You see, so we'll all see right about now. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day.
Vlogger. Yes, vlogger. Yes, how are you? Met again, right? Right. So, dainty looks. Dainty looks. A round of applause for dainty looks. A round of applause for dainty looks. Photograph.
The gorgeous ladies and gentlemen. Hi, Hi guys, I have you guys with me. See you in the next episode.